Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Gue mau ngasih tutorial nomor drag pakai aplikasi Pixlr. Yun. Ya, dala.
Just felt right, phone blown like a tailpipe. Today's schedule airtight, I turn a short day into a long night. See you soon if you got the heart. Meet you outside Rennie Park. Hurry up if it's getting dark. Won't say much and that says hi. I'm into that old bands, rock that roll ends. I'm with some old friends. I got just a thing if you so tense. I don't want us go do songs. God, I'm stoned as Medusa. Stoned out with a blank stare. I'm looking into the future. Ain't nothing gonna hold. Put the devil to the side. Got an angel on my shoulder. And I'm like, hello. It's good to finally let go. I ain't worried about a thing. I just like to keep it mellow. Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it low. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. And I'm bored again. When I'm 40 in, I see them all played out and they hit the bench. Step back, and so again. I see ups and downs, so I get it now. I'm born to win. It's my time, about time, my turn. I can't lie. Waiting for that one spark, my one hope to catch fire. I'm fine, I'm high, like rain through that sunshine. Man, this so bold. I'm the captain man when it's point of time. I don't care if I'm getting paid. Need the week, but I get the day. Why when I need sleep? I'm knee deep, but I set the way. Focused on that one mistake. Let it free, don't let it break. Get all turning in my cells off the did escape. Hold up, ain't nothing gonna hold us. Put the devil to the side. Got an angel on my shoulder, and I'm like, hello. It's